Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for being here, and if you've been here for a while, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get this sleek down bun on 4C natural hair. My hair is really thick 4C hair, so I'm going to show you guys how I got this sleek down with a back bun on my hair. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it looked so beautiful, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I'm going to go straight into it right now. Alright, so I'm starting off on an old style. I had my hair in a high puff for the past week, and so I'm starting off from there. My hair is dry, as you can see. I need some flavor and some love, so I'm using some water and I'm just spraying my hair with water right now to get it soft, and then I'm going to go ahead to do my middle pattern because I wanted it to be a middle pattern. You guys can also make it a side pattern. It doesn't have to be a middle pattern. It can be whatever side type of pattern you wanted to make it, but I wanted to do a middle pattern. And now I'm going to just divide my hair into two and put one side away so I can start working on that side. And I realized that my scalp was dry, so I took some of my Do Grow hair oil and I just put it on my scalp just to help my dry scalp. So now I'm going to go into the first section and I'm just spraying some water to get it soft, and I'm using my Cantu leave-in conditioner mist. You want like a leave-in conditioner that's not too thick so that your hair doesn't turn white. It's not something too like serious. You want to just be able to moisturize your hair and get your hair soft. So that's why I use the mist rather than the actual leave-in conditioner. So after I had the conditioner, I just use a comb, wide tooth comb, and comb through my hair, and also use a Denman brush because I want to make sure I have no knots in my hair. As you can see, I'll do that again for this section. So I'm just going section by section, combing my hair out with the wide tooth comb and then with a Denman brush. And so now that I've reached the middle of my hair, I'm actually going to go in with my Eco Styler gel and start gelling my hair down. So because my hair is really thick, it'll be good for me to gel down the middle and then gel down the top. So as you can see, I've put some gel in the middle area, and now I'm going to go ahead and comb out the front part as well. So now my front part is all combed out and all the knots are out, and so now I'm going to go in on this front with my Eco Styler gel. So as you can see, I'm actually going to be applying the gel not at the roots, not at like the edges of my hair. It's going to be more like a little bit behind the edges, so I can get the thick parts of my hair, which is not really the edges right now. So I'm trying to get the thick part of my hair, and I'm just going to apply as much Eco Styler gel as I need. Don't put way too much because you guys, yeah, the gel actually is quite strong, and if you put too much, your hair can start having white flakes when the gel dries. So don't put way too much, just put enough that it stays down. So as you can see, my hair is down, not fully but somewhat down, and I just move on to the next section and do the exact same thing. So now the next section is combed out and everything, and so I'm just going to start putting the gel down and gelling down that part as well. So once I'm done gelling down that part, I'm just going to take up the whole hair at the back of my head, and I'm just going to tie it in with a hairband at the base of my neck. And so yeah, so that's basically how it looks right now. I'm just going to make sure that it's all straight and everything. And so now going to my edges, what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush up my edges forward just to make sure to see what I need to gel down, and I'm going to go concentrate on them one by one and just put some gel on a little toothbrush and brush that edge down. As you can see, I'm just trying to make it look nice and very flat and slayed. You know, you want your edges to be slayed, you want your edges to be flat. I'm not a fan of drawing stuff, of like designing your edges, but I'm a fan of making it flat and smooth and nice. So that's what I'm trying to do right now, just smoothing in my edges down. As you can see, my edges look laid and beautiful. So now I'm just going to get my hair scarf and just tie my hair, make sure that it is knotted right and it is covering the edges that I need to be laid. And so just make sure it's tight, and also don't forget to push in the sides of your hair because those parts can actually just come out and be doing nonsense. So now I'm just going to go to bed, and yeah, now it is the next day. I have my makeup on, you know, I'm slaying. And so now I'm going to go in and finish up my hair And so now, as you can see, the hair is slayed. It is sleek and down, as you can see. And so some of the edges just came out, and so I'm just using some little more gel with my toothbrush and just brushing those edges down. And so now I'm going to go in with my kinky hair. I am going to use about 20 strands of this at the base of my neck, at the back for the bun. So as you can see, I put a scrunchie around it up to the middle, and now I'm just going to tie it to my hair. It's a very simple method that you can use to attach it to your hair at the back, since you already have your hair in a little bun. And so now I'm going to take, divide it into two, and then just start wrapping it all into a bun. As you can see, one thing that you notice is that I didn't put gel all the way back to the back of my hair, because I knew I was going to be covering that whole part with the hair, with the bun. So as you can see, I didn't really take it all the way to the back, so you don't really need to gel your whole hair down, mainly just the front to the middle area. And yeah, so now I'm just going to go in with bobby pins and pin down my hair so it can look flat straight into the bun, and it looks very realistic and very real. So yeah, I'm just using some bobby pins and pinning down my hair to look flat. And that is what the hair looks like. It came out so beautifully. I love how it looks. I feel like I just slayed this hair, man. And I want y'all to slay it too. So yeah, that's what the hair looks like. I hope you guys like this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I got this sleek down bun. Yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, join the family, guys. I would love to see you guys come back and watch more of my videos. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. Peace and strength.